Ever wonder how the microwave oven was invented? It was all thanks to a happy accident. Engineer Percy Spencer was experimenting with a military radar device when he made a surprising discovery: a melted chocolate bar in his pocket. Intrigued, Spencer tested more foods, quickly realizing that microwaves could cook food, leading to the first microwave oven prototype. This accidental discovery revolutionized cooking, turning the microwave into a kitchen staple worldwide. If you found these fruity facts fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with the most surprising fact you learned today.